Hey everyone, Kensurfs here with the Shave Den, and it's time for another shave. I'm going to be using some items that I actually got from Valentine's Day from my lovely wife. I had told you that there are very few high-end colognes out there that actually have aftershave included. So you can get Eau de Toilette and you can get aftershave. There are very few of them. Polo stopped doing their aftershave, and I really like Polo Green, Polo Blue, Polo Red, and the new Polo, 67. But my wife found a scent, and she got it for me for Valentine's Day, and it's from Dior. And it's, actually from Dior, I also have Sauvage. So there we go. I have Sauvage there. You always see Johnny Depp advertising that. And they do have a aftershave, but it's a balm and it's a pump. And there's nothing wrong with that. But she got me EAU Sauvage. EAU, like Eau de Toilette, EAU Sauvage. And I had never smelled this before. And this is actually the aftershave. And what I like, look, it's got a shake top. And I want to tell you, this stuff smells fantastic. Oh, man, it is awesome. And she also got me, I think it's the 1.7 ounce, is it? She also got me is this the Eau de Toilette? This is Eau de Toilette. EAU Sauvage. And so I got these two for Valentine's Day, and they're fantastic. So I'm going to be using this as the aftershave today. So thank you to my lovely wife, Diane. All right. Now, I've got some items that I received from Frank Shaving, and you have probably seen I've used Frank Shaving products in the past, and what we have is a razor. I'm going to try it out today. I've got a razor from Frank Shaving, and it's a three-piece. Three-piece, got the name imprinted on the laser etched or imprinted on the cap, and the handle is it's pretty cool. It's got kind of a bone look, or it looks like some of the brushes that I've had. And I'm also going to be using a Frank Shaving brush, and I believe this is a Badger. There we go. I believe it is. They get these Badger brushes looking so close to synthetics, looking so close to the real Badger, but I do believe this is a Badger, and I'm going to be using this today. In fact, I'm going to put it into the crystal skull right now and let it soak. Perfect. And I'm going to be using, made in the UK, MMGP. You've seen me use this before, and I think this is from last year, because this is from 2/11/24, and it's the Chinese New Year soap, and I'm going to be using, smells good. I'm going to be using that today. So I've got kind of a few cool things to try. And now, as always, let's pick a blade. I'm going to pick a Personna. I went on Monday to the dermatologist, and oh man, you can see they froze off some stuff. They froze off some stuff on my neck, as you can see. So I'm going to have to be very careful and not shave down there. And I think they froze off. They got me in a bunch of places. If I can come out of there with, not having like 11 things frozen, I'm doing pretty good. But hey, better safe than sorry. If you've got skin problems, or you've got like pink skin that's not healing, it's worth getting checked out, because you don't want to let skin cancer grow. And often it's precancerous, and they just are being, very proactive. In fact, they burnt the end of my nose. I had a freckle. I had some surgery on my nose. They actually took a skin graft from here, put it on my nose. And right now I've got I've been out in the sun, so I got 50 sun protection factor on there. But since she was freezing all this off, I go, hey, I got a freckle on the end of the nose. And that's the last of them. They kind of cut everything else off. Can you freeze that? So she froze it, and right now it's red. So I've got this mineral defense on it, so it kind of makes my nose look white. All right, now you know the story. Hey, you come for the shave, and you end up getting a free story too. All right, let us see here. Have you checked out any good movies this weekend? I saw Captain America with my son and father-in-law, and I thought it was pretty good. I still, You know, when they do these like different Marvel universes and, you know, Hulk here and, you know, I was a little confused, you know, on what was happening. My son goes, well, you haven't been watching the other shows. And, you know, last thing I watched was, what was it? Marvel, the Avengers, where they kill Thanos and Iron Man dies. That was the last one I saw until this one. So I guess there's some TV shows or other movies that are in between, but I thought it was okay. But definitely, I watched on Apple TV. Is it Apple? Yeah, Apple TV. Or is it The Gorge? The Gorge. And it's kind of a horror movie, a scary movie. And it was pretty dang cool. So if you haven't seen The Gorge, it's definitely worth a look. It's with Miles Teller, and it's a good movie. All right. So there we go. We've loaded the blade. We have overhang. See the overhang? That allows me, and I think I've told you that before, that allows me to hang onto the blade and the cap at the same time without losing it. So when I put the base plate on, I'm not cutting myself. So I kind of like the overhang. Some people don't, but I kind of like it. All right, so we'll be trying out this razor today. Okay, let's wet the face and we'll get this shave started, shall we? Thank you for tuning in, by the way, and thank you very much for your subscriptions, and thank you for everybody who's entering the Kensurfs giveaway for the Badger and the synthetic brush, the 2025 brushes. We've got the Badger here. That contest is going to be ending in 2 days, so good luck for all those who have entered. I appreciate your subscriptions, and I appreciate you watching. All right. There we go. I'll wipe that stuff off my nose. Yeah, you can see the burn. You can see where they burned the freckle. Okay. Here we go. Can't tell the scent. And is this year, last year's, or is it this year? Because I think this year is the year of the snake. I forgot what last year was. I'm year of the tiger, 1962. My cousin's 64, year of the dragon. That's why I've got the tiger on the arm, you know. All right. Can't tell what the scent is. Kind of neutral, at least to me, at least to my nose. And I have links to Frank's Shaving site, and they also have, I think, an Amazon store. So if you're interested in any of these items. Sometimes these companies send me things and they say, can you try them out and get back to me and tell me what you think? Well, I'd rather film it in case things go south, then you're seeing it for the first time too. So, you know, that's like one company said, hey, I got a razor. You mind trying it out, but, you know, get used to it first, you know, before you film it. And I said, no. I want you to see it for the first time, because you buy a new razor, everybody's got to shave for the first time. I don't want to get good with it in case I cut myself 5 times. So you're seeing me use these for the first time. Here we go. Ooh, this one feels a little aggressive. Well, I got to watch it. Don't cut myself there. Yeah, they froze something off there. If you see blood, it's because I cut off a burn. A little bit, not mild, mid-range, a little bit above mid-range, I'd feel this one is. Yeah, Miles Teller and Ann, is it Ann Taylor-Joy? Man. Yeah, this thing I gotta go slow with this. It's taking it down very good. I don't want to cut myself. New razors. I get a chance to try new razors all the time. You just never know. I was talking to someone today. They texted me and they said, I watch your channel all the time and I get like red, you know, when I'm done shaving, my skin is just bright red. And they actually sent a picture. It looks like razor burn. And I don't know if they're using DE razors or if they're using cartridge razors or if it's a reaction to the aftershave or the soap. There's a lot of factors. But yeah, you don't want to get razor burn. That just is going to make shaving should be enjoyable, not a chore. So I suggested if it's a DE razor to try maybe the Personna blades, the Personna Blue, the Lab Blue. I know they've changed their name now to something else, but I think they use that in the hospitals to shave you before surgery. So that one might cause a little or no irritation. And a feather blade is another one, but you gotta be real careful so you don't cut yourself. But if you're irritating your skin real bad, you should just be cutting off the whiskers. You shouldn't get skin irritation. So that young man might be watching today. And by the way, thank you for watching and reaching out to me. And I wish I could be a little more help. Okay, here we go. I gotta be real careful. Yeah, see, right there. I can't go lower than that. Right now it's a blister. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, no. Did I get me? No. I'm all paranoid. Nope, not going to shave down there. Nope, going to leave that alone. Don't want to cut off the top of a blister with a razor blade. And I didn't. Good. But yeah, I go to the skin doctor like every 3 months and get checked out, 3 to 6 months. And now they're looking at the freckle on my neck. See that freckle there? I said, can you freeze that off? And they go, well, we want to make sure it's not anything serious. Because if it's something serious, they might want to cut it out. So I go for a biopsy in a couple of weeks. But I've had them many times on my back. You know, moles. That's a mole. It's starting to be a mole. It's just as good to be proactive with your health. Oh, much better. They froze there too. Oh man, I might have got myself. I mean, you got to shave, right? I could have waited for all this to heal, but then I wouldn't have got to hang out with you guys for about a week. This handle is really easy to hold. Oh, got me right there. Avoid that area. Yeah, they froze there too. Oh man. All right, well, let's rinse off and see how we did. Froze there. Got me on my eyebrow too. Have you ever had that liquid nitrogen? They hit you with it, then the burning starts. And, you know, I've had tattoos, so, you know, that doesn't, I guess it does hurt. It's more of an irritation, but man, that freezing stuff, after about a minute or so, then the burn starts. And it's not a good burn. All right. Well, I think I got one slight nick there. And that was probably me. I avoided that. That one, I'm lucky I didn't cut. Okay. Very good. Now. EAU Sauvage. very cool. They have one other scent too, Dior does, and it also comes with aftershave. And I might be looking into that for my birthday. I told my wife, hey, you know, if you're looking for a birthday present, I don't mind having all these colognes on, you know. All right, here we go. Oh, I like the shaker. It doesn't come out too quick. See? Ooh, nice. Oh, man. Good burn. I mustn't have cut any of those areas because that would have really lit up. And there we go. Oh, that smells good. If you're in Macy's or, you know, wherever you go, Sephora, wherever you go, if you see this, and this was purchased, they didn't give me this. None of these high-end companies give me any of this stuff. I go buy this stuff because I like it. I enjoy it. But this stuff is good. In fact, let's do a... Whoa. There's the burn too, but oh, that's stronger. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon in an upcoming video. I've got some products coming. A lot of people have asked me, you know, I use the Thorn razor from the folks at Leaf. And, excuse me, the Twig. This is the Twig from the folks at Leaf. And a lot of people have asked, hey, have you tried the Thorn? Which is like one step up in aggression. And I haven't. So I did order in black. I wish they would have had blue. I ordered a Thorn, and I ordered another Leaf razor with the pivoting head, the kind of the big head. My daughter stole my other one, took my other one. So I've ordered a couple of them so I can still have in the collection here. Because if you're doing kind of grooming, this really, you know, the head on that's not too big. You can really get some fine sculpting if you've got a beard going on or a goatee or something. So I'm looking forward to that coming. And I think the folks, I've got a couple of soaps coming too. So we'll be trying out some new videos very soon. And for all of, like I said, all of you that have entered the Kensurfs giveaway that ends this Friday, there's still time. Just go to that video, you know, and just say you're in. But thank you very much for watching. And thank you for subscribing. It's been a lot of years, man. I've been with you guys a lot of years, and I enjoy it, and I hopefully hear a lot more years. So, all right, everybody. Enjoy the middle of the week. It's Wednesday night, and almost the weekend. Bye for now.